Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to say Porsche Taycan. Start with Porsche. Say Porsche, keeping the final vowel audible and gentle. Then say Taycan, Taycan with a clear T and short A. Put them together slowly. Porsche Taycan. Practice 3 times in a row, then try at conversation speed. Relax your lips and keep the rhythm steady, and you will sound natural quickly. Use simple syllable separation to master Porsche Taycan. Say Porsche slowly, then Taycan slowly, then combine them. Keep the vowel in Porsche light, like the schwa sound in about. Keep Taycan crisp, especially the T and K sounds. Practice with increasing speed until it feels natural. Record yourself to check rhythm and clarity, and repeat short drills for 5 minutes daily to build confidence. Watch out for common errors when saying Porsche Taycan. Many drop the final vowel in Porsche or collapse it into one syllable. Others mute the T in Taycan or over-lengthen the second syllable. Focus on crisp consonants and light vowels. Slow, deliberate practice fixes most issues. Try contrasting wrong and right examples aloud and notice the difference, then mimic the correct version until it becomes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.